Hello there, guys. This is Salt Baker, the YouTuber. Today on Salt Baker News, we heard that we know the Shadow Factory number 3 had a 4.3 magnitude earthquake yesterday, but at 8:30 p.m. a 3.6 magnitude earthquake struck the Shadow Factory. Check out this clip. Yeah, so one worker is standing there during the quake, during the other quake like this. Yeah, so if you know the news now, yeah, earthquake at 8:30 p.m. after the 4.3 magnitude quake. If you know the news about Shadow Factory number 3 in Davon, then subscribe and like the video.